Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about SPAD multi-state spam account detection for online social network. Spam account detection is like fake account detection or malicious account detection. Online social network is like Twitter, Instagram, etc. So we are implementing Twitter fake account detection, that is Twitter spam account detection. Next, overview of the project, that is abstract. Twitter social network has gained more popularity due to the increase in social activities of registered user. Twitter performs dual functions of social network system, acting as microblogging OSN and at the same time as news update platform. Recently, the growth in Twitter social interaction has attracted the attention of cyber criminals. Spammers have used Twitter to spread malicious messages, flood the network like fake accounts, and engage in other malicious activities. The process of detecting the network of spammers who engage in these activities is an important step toward identifying individual spam account. This paper proposes a different approach to detect spammers on Twitter based on the similarities that exist among spam accounts. To improve the performance of implementing two classification algorithm, experimental results shows that the Addons algorithm achieve the highest accuracy. The performance of the selected classifiers based on class imbalance also related that Addons classifier achieved the high accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. Okay. Flow diagram. This is our project flow. Selection and loading, pre-processing, natural language processing, data splitting, count vectorization, classification, and prediction. First, select and load Twitter dataset. Next, pre-processing. Pre-processing is data cleaning and checking null values. Any null values are replaced with zero values. And label encoding. Label encoding is changing categorical values to numerical value. Next, natural language processing. Natural language processing is human readable text, that is tweet text. NLP concept using for data cleaning and stemming, stop word removes, that is any special character words are there, removing this process. Stemming is like removing ing words, that is playing in sense remove the ing, play. This is natural language processing. Data splitting. Data is splitted into training and testing data. Next, count vectorization. Count vectorization is to vectorize our tweet text. Classification. Classification is algorithm implementation, that is implementing two machine learning algorithm like random forest and Addons classifier. Our Addons classifier give high accuracy result. Prediction. Prediction is like the given text is the given text account or spam or quality. Performance analysis like accuracy, precision, FN score, and recall. Okay. Next, output explanation. This is our output. Spam account detection. This is our Twitter data set. First, selection and loading data set process. First, data selection and loading. After that, pre-processing. Pre-processing is data cleaning and checking null values. Lots of null values are there. Remove unwanted column. Remove unwanted column. The column is not necessary, so we have to remove. So remove unwanted column. After that, replace with 0 values. Label encoding. Label encoding is changing categorical values to numerical value. Quality and spam. Quality is 0, spam is 1. That is label encoding. After pre-processing, we want only 4 columns, so checking pre-processing stage, no null values are there. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is tweak cleaning and stop word removing and stemming process are involving in natural language processing. Natural language processing is human readable text. Next, this is our x value data. This is our y value data. This is model selection. After the data splitting, data splitting is splitted into training and testing data. Total number of data, this is our training data, this is our testing data. 80% of data is training, 20% of data is splitting, or 70:30. Algorithm implementation. First, implementing logistic regression. Accuracy is 83 and Addons classifier give high accuracy, that is 84. Classification report. Precision, recall, FN score and support. Confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is based on our label values, that is quality and spam, indicating 0 and values. Confusion matrix is based on 0 and 1 values. Next, comparison graph. Comparison graph between logistic regression, random forest and Addons classifier. This is our prediction result. Following no, follows no, tweet can I joined, and Twitter account link. The text is quality, not spam.